Welcome to the problem at hand. So, let's dive in. The issue here lies in the lack of colored spacing between subplots in a Matplotlib figure. This lack of color makes the visual representation a bit bland, don't you think? But worry not, there's a solution just around the corner that will add some pizzazz to those subplots. Let's explore it together. The solution to our dilemma involves adding patches between the axes to introduce some vibrant colors. By using the provided code snippet, we can create a visually appealing layout with distinct colors separating the subplots. The script leverages patches from Matplotlib to dynamically insert colored rectangles between the axes in a row or column, making the figure more engaging and aesthetically pleasing. You can even customize the colors to suit your preferences, just like picking the perfect paint for a masterpiece. With a touch of creativity, we can transform those dull white spaces into a vibrant tapestry of colors. Voila! Problem solved. In conclusion, we've successfully tackled the issue of dull white spaces between subplots by infusing our Matplotlib figure with a burst of colors. The solution involved adding colorful patches strategically placed between the axes, creating a visually captivating layout. Now, your figures can truly stand out and make a statement with their vibrant and dynamic appearance. So go ahead, give it a try and elevate your plotting game. Remember, a pop of color can make all the difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy plotting!